We continue our journey through Central Europe, stepping into the summer months. This time, we visited Germany to showcase the urban beauty of this important country. My arrival in Berlin was thrilling and filled with nostalgia, as I had visited Germany 3 years ago. This time, I was heading to the capital after a brief stay in Munich. I felt eager to immerse myself again in German culture and explore the vibrant city of Berlin. From the moment I landed at Tegel Airport, I was overwhelmed by the city's energy. The streets were alive, filled with people from all over the world speaking different languages and enjoying Berlin's unique atmosphere. My first destination was my accommodation in the Mitte district, where I was amazed by the stunning architecture and the history that seemed to breathe from every corner. Seeing the iconic Berlin Wall, which had divided the city for decades, and visiting the Holocaust Memorial, a moving place that reminded me of the importance of remembering and honoring the victims of World War II. Left a deep impression on me. In the German Democratic Republic, also known as East Germany, a political and economic system based on Marxism-Leninism was established and led by the Socialist Unity Party of Germany. Throughout its existence, from 1949 to 1990, the GDR underwent numerous changes and events that left an indelible mark on the history of Germany and the world. A curious fact about the GDR is that it had its own currency, the East German mark, used exclusively within its territory. This currency was non-convertible and artificially fixed by the government, leading to economic problems and a growing shortage of consumer goods. education in the GDR was also rooted in communist ideology, teaching the principles of Marxism-Leninism. Young people were encouraged to participate actively in organizations like the Free German Youth, which serve as an instrument of political and social control by the government. Additionally, the GDR was known for an extensive system of surveillance and repression headed by the feared Stasi. This organization monitored and controlled the population, infiltrating all areas of society and using intimidation and torture to silence dissent. Arriving in Germany was a discovery in itself. On my first day on German soil, I was struck by the number of mixed couples I saw in East Berlin. German women walking hand in hand with men of foreign origin. Couples defying cultural barriers, uniting in a love that transcended differences. While exploring the city, I was also amazed by the overwhelming presence of kebab restaurants on every corner, in every neighborhood. Turkish food had become an iconic part of the city, a fusion of flavors that won over both locals and tourists alike.
Oh my God!
Culturally, the GDR also left an important legacy through artistic and literary expressions that reflected the reality of communist society. Interestingly, despite the GDR's attempts to isolate itself from the Western world, many of its citizens desperately sought to escape to the western side of the country. This yearning for freedom and a better life was one of the key factors that eventually led to the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 and Germany's reunification in 1990. The German Democratic Republic was a political and social experiment that left deep marks on German and world history. Through its economic, educational, repressive, and cultural systems, the GDR revealed the challenges and contradictions of a communist regime in a bipolar, ever-changing world. I discovered the story of a city divided and reunified, a country that had overcome its past wounds to build a democratic and prosperous future. My second time in Germany was an incredible and enriching experience. Berlin surprised and captivated me with its history, culture, and diversity. I left with my heart full of memories and the certainty that I will return to this marvelous city in the future. Germany will always hold a special place in my heart. We will continue our wonderful journey through Central Europe with new surprises awaiting. We hope you join us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to keep supporting us. Thank you for being part of our incredible community.